Hey guys, welcome back to Cheap Lazy Naturals. My name is Shirley and today is another DIY video. You know I love DIYs, guys. I got your back. I'm here to bring you every piece of information that can pretty much help your hair flourish. I'm guilty, that's what I'm being accused of. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to our channel. Like I said, we love to bring you videos on so many different techniques and DIYs and recipes that can help your hair flourish. So make sure you hit that notification bell so YouTube lets you know every time we go through with new content that you need. Awesome. So today what I'm gonna be showing you guys, as you can see by the title, is how to extract aloe vera gel from your aloe vera leaf without blending. This is very important because every time we blend, blending is pretty much the process of oxidizing the aloe vera gel, and what happens is that we add air bubbles into the aloe vera gel, and that pretty much starts diminishing the benefits of aloe vera. So the more you blend it, the less benefits you'll get from the aloe vera gel. So if you want 100% beast mode benefits, you want like your hair to just get every ounce of awesomeness that the aloe vera gel has, you just don't blend, don't do it. Rather use the method that I will be showing you guys today. Secondly, I guess also if you don't have a blender in general, then this method is really good for you. Guys, I don't think the blending method is completely horrible. You just need to know that you're not going to get everything, and then also try and blend as a short amount of time as possible. Don't oxidize it too much. Okay, cool. So what we're gonna do now is head over to my kitchen and I'm gonna show you the tricks. I'm gonna spoil it to you guys. See ya. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna make sure our aloe vera leaf is completely clean, free from dirt and all of the nonsense that possibly came with it. So I basically cleaned mine by running normal tap water over the leaf, and then I just used my hand to scrape off the dirt and the gunk. So you want to do this until it is completely clean. You could put it in a bowl or use whatever other method you want. You just want to make sure you get that sand and all of the gunk and whatever dirt is on there completely off. After this, you will see that your aloe vera leaf has a white part. So you'll see that there's a tip, and then on the opposite end of the tip is where it's pretty much attached to the aloe plant itself. We want to cut all of the white bit off. So this is not super beneficial to what we're going to do, and you just want to remove that completely. Yeah, and make sure that when you're buying an aloe leaf that it actually has that part, because it's kind of a lid. It makes sure that the aloe vera gel is completely preserved. If it's already pre-cut before you get it, then it means the aloe leaf would have already started oxidizing and you won't get the most out of your aloe leaf. Okay, awesome. And then what we want to do now is pretty much remove the thorny bits. Basically on both sides there are these little thorns, and you just want to get out of the way because it will make it difficult for you to do the scraping with it, because they will definitely poke you and hurt you. So I basically just used a normal kitchen knife. You could also use the scissors. You just want to make sure that you go along both sides and you completely remove all of them. I also tend to remove the tip. It doesn't have a lot of aloe gel and it has quite a few bits of thorns. Yeah, so just make sure that you clean the knife or scissors that you use properly, because aloe vera has a very potent and hectic smell and taste. So if this is a knife that you use for normal everyday life, you will definitely get that residue taste if you don't clean it properly. Okay, cool. So the next step now is that we are going to start slicing the aloe vera leaf into manageable pieces, and we're going to start the extraction process thereafter. So what we want to do now is pretty much cut the aloe leaf into smaller pieces that are manageable for you. These shouldn't be too small that it's difficult for you to work with them. So depending on the size of your leaf, I would recommend that you cut them in 2s or 3s, maybe 4s if yours is super big. But you want it to be quite long, but not too long that it's uncomfortable. Okay, cool. So I cut mine in down the middle, and then what I'm going to do is take one of those halves and then I'm going to cut them diagonally. No, not diagonally. Basically down the middle again to expose the aloe vera gel. Thereafter, I'm going to take the one half now only, and that is pretty much what we're going to work with in order to extract the aloe gel. So what you want to do is place that half down on the plate so that the aloe vera gel is exposed, and then what you want to do is find a way to secure the leaf on the one end that is closest to you. So either you can dig your nails into it, or you can use like a knife or something like that. yeah, and then you will definitely need a knife for this. You could use a butter knife, but you want something that doesn't have large grooves. The smoother the knife, the better for this process. Yeah, so what you want to do is pretty much point the knife away from you while you've either dug your nails into the end closest to you, or you have a knife there, a fork, and then you pretty much want to angle the knife away from you, and then you basically start to apply some pressure and scrape off the aloe vera gel off of the leaf. So you will kind of have to just start and see how much pressure you need to apply, because you need to do it gently but also pretty firmly. So you don't want the rubbery bits of the aloe vera to be with the gel. You just want to like apply enough pressure on the rubbery end so that the aloe vera gel gently just comes out on the other side, as you can see in this video. So that is pretty much the process, and you want to do this for each one of your leaves. It can take some time, and it does take some getting used to, so just be a little patient as you start. You might scrape initially and not a whole lot will come out, but just hang in there, it'll definitely come around. So that's pretty much what you want to do with all of the pieces of aloe vera that you have, and then you will get this juicy looking, delicious looking gel that is slimy, and it's amazing. So what you want to do after that is store it in a glass container. I wouldn't recommend plastic because I think it does oxidize, and then you'll see the color of the aloe gel will actually start to change as it oxidizes. So make sure you use glass, and then you can use this for so many different things. You could combine it with flaxseed gel and use it as on a wash and go, or you could use it on a wash and go by itself. You could combine it with like your DIY deep conditioners. You could use it on your face and things like that. So that's it, guys. That is how we extract aloe vera gel the proper way without using a blender.